Do you have a Bentley from 2004 to 2018, Continental, GT, GTC? Well, we have a solution to upgrade the radio. A lot of people are looking for wireless CarPlay or wireless Android Auto, but this gives you much more. This is a full infotainment upgrade. This incorporates the AC controls as well as all of the radio controls into one single screen. So you get this 12-inch screen that does everything. It's all digital, all of your AC controls. You get wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. You get a rear camera input if you don't have a camera installed in the vehicle currently. If you do have a camera and it's old, you can upgrade the old camera to a newer version with a better picture quality, and it incorporates into your factory system, so you don't need to upgrade the amplifier or change out any of the speakers. It works with your factory system. So it's a very, very nice solution, especially if you had a radio failure, because they're very expensive. So for this solution, you get a ton of features, and it's a great value. RDVFL.com.